7.3, volume of a cylinder. Working example number 1, determine the volume of a cylinder given its radius. So, step A, estimate the volume of the cylinder. So, its dimensions, we're going to pick some close numbers. So, its actual dimension is 11 centimeters for height. That's close to 10, so for an estimate we can use 10. 4.1 for a radius, we'll use 4 as an approximation. So the volume of a cylinder uses this formula. Area of a circular base times the height of the cylinder. Area of that base is actually pi times radius squared, and then it's times the height. So pi times r times r times h. For pi, we're estimating, so we'll just use 3. Radius, we said we were going to estimate using 4. And then the height is 10. So 3 times 4 is 12, times 4 times 10. 12 times 4 is 48, and then bring down the 10, and so then our estimate is 480 centimeters cubed. That's our estimated volume. So estimated volume for the cylinder is 480 centimeters cubed. Now, for part B, we're going to actually calculate it out. Use the same formula, pi times r times r times h. This time we're going to use 3.14 for pi, a little more precision. We're going to use 4.1 instead, and we'll use 11 instead of 10, because that's the actual. So 3.14 times 4.1 is 12.874. And bring down the 4.1, and we'll multiply that by 4.1. Those two multiply together to give you 52.7834. And then times 11, so then when you multiply that by 11, you end up with 580.6174 centimeters cubed. Now, let's assume that we were rounding to the nearest tenth, and that would give us 580.6 centimeters cubed. And that is your solution for the volume of the cylinder right there. 580.6 cubic. Now you could say centimeters cubed, or you could say cubic centimeters. Either works when you are reading that out. So now that we've done that example, the next page is a show you know. So give that a try using this cylinder.